Hi everyone, my name is Anas Ansari and I just want to take a moment to share my experience with Evision TechnoServe. I recently got an opportunity with Progressive Infovision Private Limited, and honestly this would not have been possible without the support and guidance from the Evision team. And the placement guarantee course really helped me build the right skills and confidence required for the IT industry. The faculty here is extremely knowledgeable and always ready to help. They don't just teach, they guide you at every step. And I would especially thanks to Anamika ma'am who supported me throughout the placement process. Her guidance, motivation, and constant encouragement made a huge difference in my journey. And also the HR team is very supportive. They continuously helped me with interview preparation, scheduling, and making sure I was ready for every opportunity. Overall, my experience has been very positive, and I am really grateful to Evision TechnoServe for helping me to start my career in the IT sector. Thank you so much.